It's Brody's first Christmas. You ready?
Muffins.
Oh, if you only knew what you're in store for.
Oh, Brody.
Hey.
Hey, baby. Let's go.
Let him walk. Uh-oh. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that?
Those are all your presents. We'll install.
Yeah. Why don't you grab some presents and start opening them, silly? Why don't you open presents? Huh. This is crazy, Mom. Why don't we open something up? Huh? How about we open... What's this? What is it? Oh, how about we open that? Open it. Yeah, that's a Christmas tree, buddy. That's a little one. When you get bigger, we'll get you a bigger one. Hey, Brody, open a present. Open it. It's okay. What is this?
Aww.
What is that? Let's help you.
Brody. Is that a puppy from Grandpa?
Close.
What? Sorry, baby.
What's up with some other stuff? Huh? Brody.
Brody.
Brody, how about this one?
Open it, honey. Brody. Put your finger in here. Honey.
Brody. He's got the puppy. That's all I know. You doing?
Brody.
Brody, let's open this one. What is this? Look. What is this? What is this? What is this? Yeah! What is this? Brody.
Brody. Look at all the colors.
Hey, dude.
Honey. Look at all the... He doesn't care. He's like, I have a puppy.
He's like, screw it, man. I'm out of here. Brody.
Honey.
And that was Christmas morning.